Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Amy Carter. If you are struggling with debt or facing bankruptcy, then listen up. This segment may be just for you. Here to discuss what you can do to get your finances back on track is Veronica Mosley and Steve Relier with Financial Freedom Legal. Great to have you both with me today on Showcase.
Thank you so much. We're happy to be here.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
And for folks who may not know who you are, explain, what does Financial Freedom Legal do?
Yes. So at Financial Freedom Legal, we use the law to make a difference in the lives of people. We are able to help people get their finances back on track and to get peace of mind. We're able to help people with resolving a wide variety of creditor collection issues. So we can help stop foreclosures, repossessions, evictions, garnishments, warning debts, utility cutoffs, and the like.
Wow. And how are you able to help people resolve those debts?
So we typically help people through the use of consumer bankruptcy. We find that to be very effective for several reasons, which we'll talk more about in a little bit, I think. But really it does a couple things. One, it stops all those creditor collection actions that Veronica was talking about. And then secondly, it gives people an opportunity, once those creditors aren't sort of breathing down their throats or breathing down their necks anymore, it helps them to set up a plan that they can resolve those debts either by paying a portion of the debt back or completely eliminating it altogether.
And Veronica, talk a little bit more about the kinds of debts you're able to help people resolve.
Yes, absolutely. We're able to help people catch up mortgage arrears if they've fallen behind on their mortgage. We can help with vehicle loans. We're able to assist with tax debts. We can help with medical debts, credit card debts, payday loans, cash advances, internet loans, and in some instances, we can even assist people with student loan debts.
That is awesome. Now, is a debt consolidation similar to bankruptcy?
So the short answer is no. I guess the underlying theory behind it in terms of dealing with debt is the same, but really the way it goes about it is very different. Because debt consolidation or debt negotiation really is just that. It's a negotiation of the debts that are outstanding. So creditors can choose not to participate in that. And unfortunately, a lot of the times we see sort of the back end of that, and what will happen is somebody will go through one of these programs and then find out that a creditor is still collecting from them. So you don't get the protection that a bankruptcy provides, and it's really just an attempt to negotiate that debt as opposed to eliminating it altogether.
And what if a debt consolidation program does not work?
So unfortunately, we see that quite often. We frequently meet with people or talk to people who only became aware that their debt consolidation program wasn't working because they're being sued, they're being taken to court, their wages are being garnished. And of course, we're happy to jump in at that point and help them with resolving the debt. But we often talk to people that wish that they would have considered bankruptcy sooner rather than later.
And the big question, how much does it cost to meet with you guys?
So it's absolutely free. We want to make sure that we are able to sit down with somebody and really talk through their financial situation without, sort of the pressure of them having to pay us to do that. So the initial consultation is free. Generally takes, I tell people, it costs you maybe an hour to an hour and a half of your time. And we can do that either in our office or over the phone, whatever is most convenient. And that way we can talk through all the options for that specific person's debts that they're dealing with.
Yeah, it's good that you guys can really tailor the approach to that specific individual. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Veronica and Steve, for joining me on Showcase today. So if you are struggling with debt, the folks at Financial Freedom Legal are here to help you. So don't delay. You can scan the QR code right there on your screen to set up a free bankruptcy consultation. And as Steve mentioned, they offer appointments by telephone, virtually, and in person. So give them a call today at 804-FREEDOM or visit their website at fflegalva.com. Again, that's fflegalva.com.